We eat a lot of cheese at our house because we love it so much, and we had a chance to see how it's made while touring Gio's Cheese Factory in the Dominican Republic city of Puerto Plata. Before we could go inside the factory, we had to get suited up like surgeons with the whole cap and gown outfit. I'm thinking maybe I'll find a block of cheese in here to operate on. This is where the local dairy farmers deliver milk each morning, and it's taken inside the factory to make the cheese. The cheese-making process starts with milk. Our tour guide warned us to get ready for a strong smell before we go inside. He wasn't lying. It hits you like a punch to the face, but it's the smell of greatness and progress. After the milk is pasteurized to kill bacteria, then it's stirred and churned in these massive tubs that look big enough to fuel a spaceship. The churning evens out the fat throughout the milk and causes the cream to rise to the top. It takes 10 pounds of milk to make just 1 pound of cheese. You gotta respect that kind of ratio. After the milk thickens, it's poured into these molds and left to rest for 2 days. Then the cheese gets a 3-day bath while it is left to soak in salt water. After that, the cheese needs time to mature, so it's left on these shelves for a while in order to age, like wine. We follow our tour guide into the next building, where things get real. This is where the product is packed for delivery. Cheese, cheese, cheese is everywhere you look. It's a cheese lover's paradise. The last step in the production process is when the cheese is dipped into a bold red-colored wax that forms a protective armor around the cheese to keep it fresh on the supermarket shelves. And finally, the moment we've waited for, when we get to taste the cheese. If loving cheese is wrong, we don't want to be right.